Welcome to the Youth and Technology Workshop, Youth Tech, Utilizing Technology as an Instrument of Peace.
The youth have the quality to change the world, and they have a very positive energy in themselves.
It is our vital task to enhance the role and capacity of the next generation in order to contribute to peace and security in more substantial and effective ways.
These are indeed important bodies recognize the important role that youth play in promoting the culture of peace, tolerance, moderation, and constructive dialogue. A dialogue where you not only speak well, but also listen well.
ASEAN sees also that the challenges that we face in our region as a form of opportunities to strengthen cooperation and partnership in achieving our goals.
Not only at the state level, of course, that is the key, but again, the partnership at the society level, especially that they involve the youth in the region. I think this is key.
I think for the start, today's workshop that we are initiating today, tomorrow and on Wednesday is a wonderful platform for the youth to connect with each other, to collaborate with each other. And institutions like ASEAN Institute for Peace and Reconciliation, they are doing this good work to bring people together, to create such platforms for them to network as well as to understand their shared history.
Alright, so we have option B as our winner, so let's take a look.
I would accept my friend's invitation and would take that as what I should be grateful for. On top of that, I wouldn't mind the comment at all.
And this digital literacy is very important for everyone, especially if we can share these information to younger generations.
In this regard, please allow me, on behalf of the Institute, to convey our highest regard and appreciation to the Republic of Korea for continuously supporting the ASEAN-ROK program and initiative.